Hey guys, let's go over the answers to these and you can see how you did. I think I've got them organized correctly. We'll find out together. Um, Grab a pink pen down here just for fun. I like pink. All right, Tom walked slowly along the road, stopped to look at his watch, realized he was late, and then started running. So, right here, he's moving away from his house. Flat line shows that he stopped. And then notice this is a steeper line. This is steeper compared to this one. So that tells me he's going faster right there than right there. So walked, stood still, and then ran. Down here, sorry. After the party, Tom walked slowly all the way home. Um, I just thought that might be correct. I think it is. He's just going at a constant rate all the way back home. This one over here, up here, this graph is just plain wrong. How can Tom be in two places at once? So at this moment in time, see right here, he's both there and there. Well, you can't be, at least right now, we can't teleport. We can't be in two places simultaneously. So that graph is just wrong. Um, Over here, number 7, Tom went out for a walk with some friends. So there he goes walking. He suddenly realized he left his wallet behind, ran home to get it. So he goes back home and then had to run to catch up with the others. So I like this graph a lot. Remember, it doesn't have anything to do with up and down a hill. This is moving away from where you started, back towards where you started. And the steeper the line, the faster the object is moving. Opposite Tom's home is a hill. Tom climbed slowly up the hill, walked across the top, and then ran quickly down the other side. So I really like this one a lot because I think it makes you really think about the fact that he's continuing to move away. So he goes up a hill, across the top, down the other side. So he's moving away. There he is, slowly up the hill, walked across the top, ran down the other side. I really like that one. Let's do these two. They're kind of similar. I had to look a little bit at them, but I think number 1 goes with G. Tom ran from his home. That's pretty steep. And waited at the bus stop, so not moving. Realized he had missed the bus, so he walked back home. And this is not as steep as this. So I think that that is correct. Over here, Tom walked to the store at the end of his street, bought the newspaper, ran all the way back home. Again, that is steeper than this one. Down here at the bottom, Tom left his home for a run, but he was unfit and gradually came to a stop. So you can see that he's starting to flatline right there. And we know when it's a flat line on a distance time graph, it's not moving. And this one. So this is our curvy graph. So when we see curves on a distance time graph, now we know something is speeding up or slowing down. So right here, he skateboarded, gradually building up speed, slowed down to avoid some rough ground, but then speeded up again. Okay, so that should be all the right answers for that.